Another day, another story. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We've been working on a new project that we're sure you'll love. As you know, designing a website from scratch can be a daunting task. Even experienced designers can struggle with the process. That's why we're excited to introduce you to a solution that will make your life much easier. But before we get into that, let's talk about the problem we're trying to solve. Have you ever spent hours searching for the perfect CSS or HTML element to use in your website, only to come up empty-handed? We've all been there, and it's frustrating. Well, what if we told you that there's a website out there that offers free CSS and HTML elements that are both easy to use and customizable? That's right. This website has everything you need to create a beautiful and functional website, without having to spend countless hours searching for the right elements or with code. Are you ready for this? We promise it'll be worth the wait. Okay, here it is. The website we've been raving about is called Uverse. That's right, Uverse is the website that will change the way you approach web design. With its extensive library of free CSS and HTML elements, you'll be able to create stunning websites in no time. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Uverse and start exploring all the amazing features it has to offer. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.